Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Ms. Sitwat. I hope you all are fine and revising all the given work. So from today we are starting our general knowledge manual. First we will start from Islamic portion. The first topic is religion. And from this topic we will learn question number 1 and question number 2. So let's start.
Question number 1 is, how many pillars of Islam are there? What did I say? How many pillars of Islam are there?
And the answer is, you will revise the answer with me. There are 5 pillars of Islam. How many pillars? 5 pillars. The answer is, there are 5 pillars of Islam. Now move on the next question. Question number 2 is, name them. What are the name of the pillars of Islam? So name them. And do you know Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kind to teach us many things, and the most of the important of them are 5 pillars of Islam. Do you know 5 pillars of Islam? Don't worry, I will tell you. So 5 pillars of Islam are, number 1 is Tawheed, number 2 is Namaz, number 3 is Zakat, number 4 is Roza, and number 5 is Hajj. Now repeat with me or repeat after me. Number 1 is Tawheed, then Namaz, Zakat, Roza, Hajj.
I hope you understand it, and you know what is your homework? Your homework is, you will learn and revise question number 1 and question number 2 at home also. So see you next time with some more questions. Take care and Allah Hafiz.